Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at the home appliance store. We are looking forward to buy a fully automatic washing machine for our home. So we are wandering here and there to find our choice. So there are lots and lots of beautiful appliances here which I want to grab it all, but that is not possible. So let's keep searching until we find the one which we want to buy. So this is the one we bought. We bought this Samsung washing machine since Samsung is a good company. So here it is. It has got a 5-star ratings and power saving guides are given below. And we have kept the washing machine in the old toilet, which we don't use it. See from the top. We have bought the gray color. This is a new model and the panel has been given on the top part of the washing machine. Let's open it up and see. I have tried it, I have used it once. See the sides of the drums. It has got small holes so that nothing should get stuck while washing. And again the power saving guides, stars. The lids can be closed automatically. Now I have put it on and it's producing a cool music. And let's press it again. So now I'm choosing the washing cycles in the settings panel. Let's try it again. Let's put it on and choose the washing cycles here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It has got so many settings, cycles I mean. And here we can choose whether we need to wash, rinse or just spin. And see where we can put the detergent. It is with eco bubble, and here we can put the softener here like comfort. The best part is that it can close automatically without producing any sound. Again, I'll just zoom it and show the panel settings. It is normal, quick wash, delicates, beddings, jeans, energy saving, rinse or spin. And number 8 is the Eco Tap Clean, in which the washing machine will clean itself after every 40 use. 40. I'll put it off. And see here we can scan it and see about the washing machine. So here is the invoice of the product. Actually, we bought it at 16,957, but the actual price was 18,300 something. We gave back our old washing machine as scrap and we got a refund of around 1,000. So finally, we bought the price at this one. So it is done. And about the warranty and all, it has got a warranty of 2 years. And about the motor, the warranty of the motor is for 10 years, and for the washing machine itself it's for only 2 years. So guys, this is done. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching again.